antennas are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey.
Signal are normally conducted by the National
a.m. and noon.
in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially
Variability.
will vary at any given location. This variability is normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter.
The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties and marine areas.
Weather watches and warnings for the following counties.
Maine, Cumberland, and Ocean, including the Atlantic coastal waters from Manna,
New Jersey,
New Jersey,
in Maryland, Carolina,
Vermont,
the coastal waters of Great Lake, South Pacific, Virginia out 40 nautical miles.